Hello, in this video I will show you how to create the Pong Game application in processing and connect this application with microbit. This application receive some data from the microbit using serial port. If you haven't watched the first part before, I recommend you to watch it first. See what that application should look like. Let's create a new project. Write setup and draw method at first. The setup method will be executed only once. Draw method will be executed every 20 milliseconds. Let's set up size of the window. 600 width and 600 height. In draw method we will set background to gray. We'll put 20. Let's save this application. Name this application the Pong Game. This will be the name of the sketch 2. In the first part of this application we will read string from serial port. This string was sent from microbit before. Let's import the library which is necessary. This is a serial library. You must have import command for that. Let's create an object using class serial. Name of that object is port. Create this object in constructor. Call the method buffer until for port object and pass 10 as parameter. This is character for new line. The application was read a string from serial port and counter to new line character. The application was read string and counter to new line. Need the string variable that will store the read string. Let's add this variable before setup method. The string variable has just added before setup method. The name of this variable is which event. We can add an initial text like no event. We need to check if it has any available port. If it has, we will call the method. The method will read the string and check which letter was sent. We will check that input string is not null, and we will check the first character in that string. We will set appropriate text into string variable. It depends from the first letter in received string. So we set text tilt left, tilt right, or shake. Next we'll draw that string of applications window. I will go to draw method, set the font size, set font color, and draw the text on the appropriate position. Connect your microbit to computer and start the application. You can't see anything because the text go out from screen. You must change the text position on the screen. You need replace width with half width. Change width with half width and replace stroke with fill method, and then start again application. You can see the different gesture events. Next we need to do is adding some rectangle. We need to enable it to move. We'll need to add 3 new variables: x, y. This is a position of that rectangle, and velocity in the x. Let's do this. I will set the color of the rect and then draw it. We can use predefined rect method, processing method. The top left corner of that rectangle is set to value of x and y variable. To move this rectangle, we must change x value in the draw method, change for velocity vx. If the velocity is positive, the rectangle is moved to the right. Opposite of them, otherwise the negative velocity will move the rectangle to left. When the rectangle reaches left or right edge, the velocity in the x direction needs to change this direction. If the rectangle go to the right, it should go to the left, and the opposite. The sign of the velocity should change according to microbit events. Let's add this code. If there was a shake event to microbit, then velocity need set to 0. This will be done in new method named reset. And next, let's create an circle and make it to move in y direction. Let's create the ball. We need to add some variables for it. X ball, y ball, r ball. This is x coordinate, y coordinate for the ball position. Next will be add radius. In the setup method we will call a new method named create ball. This method will be create a circle. In this method we will set this variable x ball is set to 300, y ball is set to, we will use a random function. Next will be set radius for the ball. To draw the ball, we need to add some code for that. We will use ellipse method, predefined method in the processing. Set the color of the ball to red color, and then we will add we will draw the circle. X ball and y ball is the position of the frame of that circle. The frame has the width equal to diameter of the ball. Width and height is equal. Change radius to 15. To move that ball, we will add velocity of the ball in the x and y direction. Initial value of x direction of the velocity is 0, but initial value for y direction of the velocity is 2. In the draw method, y coordinate must be changed for velocity of the ball in the y direction. That's it. If the ball hits the top edge of the rectangle, it should bounce. Let's add some code for that. In this picture you can see the x-coordinate condition that need to be met in order for the ball to bounce. You can see the preview position of the rectangle and the ball with the dotted line. The bounce condition will be fulfilled only when the ball misses the rectangle, and then the ball should not change its direction. This problem will be solved in the next video. Thank you for your attention, and bye. See you in the next video.